What's going on, you beautiful people? It's Michael here. Today we're going to be talking about cropping videos online super quick. So let's crack right into it. The tool that I'm going to be using is Motionbox. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick Google search, or you can type in motionbox.io. From there, you can log in or create an account. It's free. From the dashboard, which is the main screen that you'll see, you can either create a new video or work on an existing one. Either one works. I'm just going to create this. I'm going to go to this existing story, which is just a blank canvas. From here, I'm going to upload a video that I created using, I think OBS is what I used to create this. I just pre-recorded it and converted it to an MP4 and simply just uploaded it, as you can see. And from here, the aspect ratio is actually vertical. It's 9:16, so that would have been good for like an Instagram reel. But if I want to crop this video, let's say for a different dimension, maybe I want to crop it for maybe a smaller IG tall dimension, or perhaps an IG normal, which is a square 1080 by 1080, or perhaps I even want to make it a YouTube video, and maybe like I can resize it and combine it with other elements, like an image in the background, for instance. I could take this and add this background. I can stack the layer behind this layer, just like that. And as you can see, I have this effect where there is a background filling out the canvas so that it looks nice if I were to want to upload some vertical content onto YouTube. But for this, I'm just gonna go to 1080 by 1080. It's just simple. Then I'm actually going to crop this video by resizing it up so that it fills the frame. As it fills the frame and it snaps, that's actually really nice because it's just cropping out all the unwanted portions, keeping the core content in the center point, which is my face and me talking. And there we go. There's a bunch of other effects that you can add onto it. Check out the other videos. If you're curious about what all Motionbox can do, stay subscribed and hit like if you want to see more videos like this. We have a lot more coming. This is just the start. Stay tuned.